McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Ediani Pedo.
McBrown's kitchen.
Amrina so
McBrown's kitchen.
Ediani Pedo.
McBrown's kitchen.
Amrina so Abusiafo metuka no edi jamane kofom. Media ba ufie sabrei. Woni munu anko ade this is your show. Me pa chow be mo akwaba eba McBrown's kitchen. Na enne I have one of my favorite people la. Me ni omu ba be ye aduane ntimi show. Enko be bia ne ye nu aduane na ye tonyom na chese ye yi nyame aye. Ye the Hisense I say everyday prices for everyday people. Hisense pet and a ura ho na wuto ade a ye ma 5 years. Ane 5 years manufacturer defective warranty. Into the union say what do receipt no ebeto also mashada na make hyper because ya na me a lot of complaints Mr. O cha receipt o document bi ehun hia bia no I try to picture to email mu na that bi no hia no akwakope and our phone so and I bet you print ato ye photocopy kan ho. Hisense everyday prices is for you everyday people. Thank you so much. I feel Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Tasty Tom jollof mix, Tasty Tom pepper and onion, pepper chow, oko jasua, and no na mekan for man. Kivo 4-in-1, so undi kivo down, wo me see adie. Pepper chow, everywhere you go, anytime, any day. Kivo 247 is there for you. Time be able to me. 3-in-1 no so ho, and no less sugar. Kivo 3-in-1 is very less sugar. Inti no 3-in-1 no katia no milk no, and a kivo no. Gary no ankasa. What is it? Sarah ne was zero nut and katie nim. Sana kivo pepper no to aduane simple, easy and tasty. Come. Me ba try that bell pack say. Ujina kitchen u fie baby a uhia tissue. Unim dada bell pack or toilet tissues. Emu ahodo bebree. Sarah ene wo kitchen so de, your dining so de. Enu ti kitchen ha de, na ye use bell pack jumbo. And now so between you so max no it won't be a peponsa amana boy ya da bell pack say insurance ba kopa me de me want to so na ebo me ho ban na de me koba na ema me hunu say ke in case therefore assuming perhaps maybe assembly ba na de ade a metumi dwan to my way insurance for emo mo bo me chidom kakra dial *165# da bia me kan wan say minim say e bia aya na telephone so niam no da to a enya da ya ma obi oye ama wan kasa ho into phone no de tie bia utimi eye wo so me da asese ne o dial *165#. Name eye phone so adwumenti fa password no sie na enka utrim na enye wonko awasem because my way yem bisa password say impo o say ye boa wo ema hunu choice a person ya whether the savings and as whether what the year insurance no and she shanki to bi kakra bi na wo ho ye betumi aboa me da say me da 1+400 ya say ye didie ye koba ye ho me ni nyina no kan hu say so ye ho aduro ye da 1+400 ya say I was for the GC brand and the time chibio and emam timi de dwumadi ebro ye ka GC brand agan do cosmetics can do cosmetics when him say B06 enku edi twi eti no a ya ye ni na way say for African hair natural hair African for ye de no e boat say won ban na afi ma tunwin mu ye du e ma tunwin funtem wo de B06 twi a ade ba cause ocean so e ma tunwin funtem can do cosmetics me da si bebre launcher na e jade ama me gina mu yinti no launcher me de asira kase e ma me da si bebre me kitchen no efe ankasa na ene aduane a ye be ye mi hu ni say jollof be pie wa ha enti jollof ni be pie no ene ye de dedew jollof and never be ye jollof meat. Your deadel stew, deadel noodles, deadel nutmeg and curry and nutmeg. Sarah near deadel all peppers. Into a nano, deadel dear, bibe costu imupa. No, ebemana de more. Deadel spices, taste day inside. And napa foods. No, I just so ed so cool. And napa, we show you so deco ye wasi and napa jina nanaso. Share and napa tuna and napa sardine and napa mayonnaise and then napa condensed milk. Sarana and napa dark sauce. So ewo for fried rice no any sauces na ana ye no. Intim pacho ma buafo ni me do masi bebre. Afa nipadua ne so no me amigina he na metrini solace the obi anim no solace na yema me Sarah na atade my yarn stitches Mabel me da se bebre matade na fatame ane me da se my yarn stitches or Instagram or social media into behunu kra enko be bia ansana me consume nim kakra ya kai me baby na yema me fave_beauty with I think double Y or double T. Fave_beauty. FAV_beauty. Me dana say. Wow, show me das. Mr. Enko baby ah. Mami try me umbra. Me bape ene mene. Mao e wale mao no. Hey, ekonko no ma. Ejala ya. Eko kranya bano. Enti ana de. Enkrana mbatiano. No pen, no paper, no marking. According to your ear, now do I drink from home? Perez Musik.
2024 has been an amazing year, but I believe 2025 is going to be much better. We at Hisense want to say a very big thank you to you for patronizing us. Stay blessed and Happy New Year. I go by the name Dance God Lloyd. Official
2025, we can't wait to see you. We can't wait to have fun with you. Hisense loves you. It's your girl Afronita, Official Pa.
2024, say Hisense money koye maudia. And then 2025, a triple. Yes, so friends, son. Hisense the Ghana for you now say. Who cost no money yenye juma? Yet damn say. Hisense mama Official Pa. Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people. What first? No? Yes, some 12 amounts. 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where?
5,000 Ghana cedi.
Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you move to me and Yakob 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The idea will be only hospitalization. Trese, we are Kondaya Sabia, Eba Buamotu Yakam. Afei, critical illness. Trese, Yaria Kronkobiwa, Ya Jatum Saboa, Eba Buamawaku. Bebra, Yaka Winina, Kakrabi Pet, and Elia to the Utiano so many so. Waiting on my way, yes, no. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send you my way. That's it, no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Momo.
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no? Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra yan kwani stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe. Eka hunamieni.
Tasty Tom ama menia Japan. Presenya enino aye fefe. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me Ankasano, Adebia mi yebiano, me shishimpe papano. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya bell pack tissues. Bell pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack Tea Roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua, me hot tummy. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soaki? Echimu esa pepa. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say your pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack. Mommy does it at bath time, at work, and she does it in the kitchen. Why does she do that? Cleans.
Cleans takes care of you so you can take care of the things that matter. Eliminates 99.9% of germs. Stay clean with Cleans. The GC brand. It's all about you.
This advert is FDA approved.
After this fufu and pepper soup, I go score goals like them the dash points.
Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Good for your jollof, stew, soup, shito, spaghetti, and noodles. Kivo hot pepper. Moko show.
I'm a match winner, but the real champion is Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Champion taste.
This advert is FDA approved.
Ensonson ba wiyema ema wo kekao wiyemu tumi ya weya wenu mu nso to umoja sote ensonson tumi fa aduane a embeye mfuturo ene note so ene koni pedua mu Wemplex 400 ensonsudura eyema mpanini mofra nyina obetumi anom na bribia ena honom no brano Wemplex 400 tablet ba coupe be yusunsun nyine free one term kra round web hook web tape web Wemplex 400 kuwon kojo to
Wemplex 400 aboa mene mebusuafo iti wusukoto binom
emma won manofo apenfo ene nkwada wonya mfie mienu enhunu won dokota ansan wafa bi
400 Wemplex 400
Wemplex 400 asunsuna tamfo FD aje adwede nkratu yatum
Honey, new sabo, and a pot evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
So.
And a pot milk, a custard one, a fine. Nasa Tom Brown no rice water muswa, a nice. Honey, trip now, but so made the end up mayonnaise. And I'm with salad, no, any burger, fries, so, and a tasty ketchup. And a good side. Coffee jollof no so made the end of perfume long green rice. Oh, you are. Don't forget your favorite and a chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on Anapa Airways.
Mama.
Me you know.
Anapa, I can't stand it.
Just a moment. And now power, huh?
Yeah!
And now, oh yeah, Jack Macron no more. It's you cannot guess it there. Hey, you contumre. What okuni? Tomato sauce or only a baby. And a pasadine for box with salad here. Hey, you stew. And a jollofa. Never to the one. That don't know it though. Or to that. And the power of ya, or made to bunny a doa. You want a pass rice sauce? Check for you, sir. Oh, more tasty. And a big beans for the breakfast. Na so salad, oh, she and a tuna. We can puffle. Na so salad, oh, taste good. And a pan on dairy creamer. 4 box we so can see oats, na creamy tea, no. You and a spaghetti. Talia Papa B. Mansunin Sijadu Hre. Nafa and a spaghetti no gum. Who and a patalia no I am ready for what on you with you. So I am no pa no so good.
In Krati, FDA appendo.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adiani Pendo.
McBrown's Kitchen, I was for Adiani pa day. Said yes, I say, season where you didn't hear maybe she shemuno em fekeke. Mina most to the audience and some more. What I say, so the answer me, ya ma. No one person there who can say we didn't know. I never heard Max or the Perez Musik. And you know me 21 who knew about that. Mawe wala ni mawo no. Eh. Ekon kono. Oh, mama sama. Perez Musik. Ekon kra. Eh. Mawe
bohe wale mawo no. Mawo bohe wale mawo no.
Me da was no ma pejao.
No, me show me ma wa hoden. No my page on Yamineka. Isaiah chapter 49, verse 10.
You say, you know, I am a day. Nemo because of some mo hebole, Nemo no, Memo, me pijao.
Yeah, no, me pijao.
Yeah.
So this one, the song is like, should I say, like a third person? It's God talking to you. It's not you giving thanks to God. It's God telling you that my daughter, my son, whatever you're going through, have faith.
And opportunity where I say, I feel like nipa be breath on your no sing English,
oh, that's English. I am the Lord, the one who keepeth thee. I'm the one who gives you strength.
Tune melody as I know. Okay.
What's that? Music one.
I will give you strength and
So it's that I am the Lord, the one who keepeth thee, the one who gives you strength, and I will uphold you by my hand. So like a summary. The tree, yes, the tree is like a summary. The English is like a summary of what the guy is saying. So even if you understand the guy who tie English part now, it tells you what the song is about.
Yeah, the Nyamia said that because other regions no said the new way see ye denona. Yeah, tune anyhow, no for translation in here. Thank God we have Perez Musik.
And thank you for having me. I'm honored. I appreciate it.
Oh, me crameni just a man now. Oh, fan ban shame. And then the full kitchen.
That's your kitchen. Kitchen is
hey. And then the full kitchen. I told McBrown's kitchen. Me penny your kitchen there, you come in okay travel.
I can find it.
I can find it. Na kind know. Shit. Men gano ba oba no eh. As I know you so each.
Ochobono one le call na kind.
Call na kind. Metina la tebi okosho club 600.
Oh, I grew up there.
La tebi okosho.
Yes.
Ole Pomo cinema.
Yeah.
Ole first Pomo cinema. Opposite club 600 la tebi okosho. What do you call Sukura?
Sukura honum sa. Yeah. Hey. Wow.
Oh, ile jebe pa.
Ma fonde mo.
Fonde ami a ofane fonde ami.
Kitchen here fe.
Kitchen there.
Kitchen waka mo mponi.
Me nam kam tro ya be fi be the lunch aye ho. Jai.
It's beautiful.
Lunch a fan so e say me feel mo because me feel wa me share kan wasam sa. What you say? Na me ye peno ade.
Ye be near jollof ne beef.
Go to me say the waka no.
Beef
Anye.
Jinyame.
Ingredients na nie.
Nyame be.
Nyame. O say jinyame.
Nyame be.
And I don't want to cook.
Me Mommy issue disclaimers. Oh, but I'm not bad at it.
But right now, I'm sure you got married not long ago. Won't cook kitchen now.
Oh, my cook kitchen. Maybe I'm my mommy babe my penti meaning 1 or 2 things.
Oh, okay.
But I know you how to pay it. Mommy
near my yes saying.
I'm
the
only child of my mom.
I was for my mazin here.
It's beautiful.
Annie. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy bano. Wow, and you're the radiasi. Say, background, yes, I am shown. I may feel it. If I don't cost no my background or chair, another.
Into me, call children's park. Da. Me call Tonamia Colano. Children's park won't call. Sir, Mr. and Mrs. High School. On Peso BPO.
Now, Uncle Pratt, and I be beyond quite young, and I might own Pierre. So said them. Let's start it. How?
So I'll deal with my beef first.
Your beef first.
I'll cut it and then I'll steam it.
You steam it.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the lecture, so to wife you can crown home to you. You can cut. Once I bring you a bowl.
A bowl and let me wash it a bit.
It's been washed already.
Oh, that's
but
good.
I'll still help you.
That's good.
Wash it again.
Hey.
The Lord
is my shepherd.
You shall not want today. Don't worry about it. I'm here with you. And the Lord will take care of you.
Okay.
But you know one thing about this season? I have someone who will come and taste your food at the end of the day.
Me pepper show.
Debbie unim. Ono aduane ya ne de. O shadama o catch us aduane da aboa o wi obedi ni nyina.
Eh do onye do obedi.
Debbie obedi nyina. Nti no open say ana yin twetwam kakra.
Me twetwam kakra.
We say twetwam kakra ho.
I said anytime, sir.
Yeah. Ebusafo o ya beef no wadi kan twetwa no. The other ingredients ni nie. Me mo ba ma na wa be kaka mam.
Oh, pacha boa me why na. Inside busy.
Inside busy ampa. Inside ye na de o ma me hwe wo. O ma me hwe.
Oni ho we jame.
Oh, here.
We jame ko. We jame 2 years ago.
Oh. I'm sorry.
One chain.
One chain ma one Perez.
Also open them.
Oh, so your mother is late.
Yes, she left 2 years ago. But no, in everything we give thanks. All things work together.
Already we nyina mo boni ma me munchama da. Mama ma me no once mon kafra wate. Kafra ben de ben kafra. Wow, it was for said aduane na ekoso no. Jollof ni eye, me ankasa me tasty tom. Jollof mix wa ha. Eno ma jollof we contem one eye de and it get tasty. Inti mpacho ewo ha ese ye de ba be sa na me wo royal aroma eso ewo ho afei carrots pepper ginger and onion afei bell peppers eso ewo ha inti na busafo ye duane no be ya konopa enam ni hihiem se de be me na o twitwa ne ketenkete no na o wi a ye de ye de akoja we ho na dead spices ebebem now what it taste no it dey inside the aroma type go let you know what you see into ochucha na ye dey akoja aroma no oh e be ko fie WhatsApp ye betumi aye no WhatsApp so ba o Twitter so anya ba betumi follow you on what Instagram say active wo hopa Perez Musik and I'm a McBrown uba ha obeti aroma no say flow pepepe into etwitwa nam no na fe ye dey akoja na ho ebusafo work be na etwitwa nam na wie be me na o ma me ne ma na makọ blende aha nti ne blende we nyina
and then the steam
enam no
yeah also was some nice spices to
and you can take the meat here because I also blend these ones for you yo wow ma uru bibia me din su abu mu da the air twen
okay
me do for any am bie tebusafo we mu so no ekọ blender ni mu kama where the 24-hour lesson medo where we
yes
and na yen fa o season ni ade
and some spices
and what am I page abo ni nyina bra na yen hwe sabre ya 24-hour jollof no me pass mama ope
petrol
yeah me pass mama ubetumi de all purpose season come ana ti ma me ma scissors na yen twa come
thank you okay
and this aso nampacho wo de carry a nutmeg steaming namda
na yes
ha so de me so metumi aboa wo hopa
yes me to me the account but yeah
carry a nutmeg titu namna o chia na wo yiwe no chewe o chia na wo yiwe no da bia me so wo de season ni go ho wi a ansana waka wano na wo de wo nchine
because ebetumi
over you ampa on such say 24-hour learning ampa say they will know me 24-hour learning Mrs. why are there 24-hour your love student and I don't bremi
oh baby shock you
me okay nti abusa for yen nchine no tenchene ya na fe yen fa bi mra senya faka krom
no it's okay
because
me mention am pension
me share am pension intino
I think it's okay.
I think so.
So today.
Imeko ho.
Fine, sana me.
Ori nam na bo so temeko no.
Me yim so nya.
Aye, but emroso.
Okay, so I can stack my jollof on the side.
Yes. Hey, na ubai.
Oh, me nya bad sao. Refresher course na me ko ye yo.
Okay, refresher ho.
Nya full school.
Yo. I was for on that note na say you be fire Borges wa ha. Na ye de akoye ye duane no. Odi ni je na ba. Hey, Perez aboa no ho. Now Perez. Ghana for you how many years?
Okay, so I've been doing music for a very long time, close to 10, 15 years. But I mean, God started opening the doors for me way back 2019 on Musa. Me release Nyumbi Matesa. But before then, I released the album, and it was doing well in the churches. Then we urban gospel album, and the purpose was like for youth, you know, dancing in church, because that was the main purpose of that album. And then I released a single in 2019, Blame Matesa, and that was when I got my first VGMA.
Okay,
nomination.
That was the first time I saw you.
Oh wow, thank you.
That was the first time I saw you. Say Perez Musik.
Yeah.
Aye, that was the first time I saw you.
And then the Hiwalelala came.
Mawe wale mawo no.
And no na me fast so they.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Because first time was it VGM was it vocal something?
Yeah, male.
Yes.
Vocalist, yeah.
Yeah. So say the Perez Musik, no, their household name.
That's him coming in Chroma. I'm like, and I always tell my friends that Charlie, I wish I could do this thing without anybody knowing me. But
Debbie,
I can't.
Are you too late? Judge, are you too late?
I just want to be myself.
But wherever you go, the cameras will see you.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Kafra,
maybe I know she feels
Madam Abaya, Madam Tiatamasi dear. La, I simple amount.
Oh, no, so good man, no jam come.
Oh, okay. So good you are perform me.
Me come in ko.
Oh no, I hear you. It be depend you.
I'm just teasing keke. Nejuma ina mi to me dinichi.
Nejuma want to me dinichi. Office work one. Or on office near see any idea. But shut down man for all you need because if I bet cheer nam Jimmy should be later on the side.
So
na so here yes I share go.
Anya too early.
Yes.
So
here Oheneba jollof mix any tasty tom jollof mix. According to your jollof no. Bibia wom ene gu hu yen twanto garlic wom nut curry wom ginger wom jene wom meko wom ne toast no so
solid
wom na bia na opemeko inti no wo de ne say ohene wo de hwe yeta meko no enough
okay what's that way so meko asin so nti
okay mi pia guma na okon ana mo mebo amo ahye wai Nyame wo ana wo so abe wa de.
Nyame wo.
Inti according
to oh your sign.
Parents, inti so what happen say? And the personal come.
I have four albums. 2 major albums and about 5 and 3 EPs. Yeah. I'm still working. I'm in the studio.
Oh, okay. Now my share ain't for na winyini here.
Me you know aboso kai on Strap City. Many Article 1 episode. Yeah, we all grew up in the same area.
Oh, okay.
I'm more down when I'm so
wow.
So and up on the streets, like hardcore neighborhood. Like.
Yeah, but more you know, different also number with your band and I choose gospel.
Okay, first of all, I think the influence comes from my mom. Someone said raising me up and but me do best JSS. No, in fact, JSS you're not me a good boy. SS na me teaching.
SS now teaching. Into teaching no yeah near I went near mostly so the taste it on the love mix na yeah. So the gum say someone is you now 10 minutes.
Right.
Na ekukuye. So you can from 10
minutes. I think my first time I'm using it, but it looks good. Like I mean, it's just like Oh yeah, well normal.
Jollof.
Yeah. It works perfectly. Yeah.
Tomato. What say you grew up on the streets?
Yeah, I mean.
And I would teaching. What teaching? No, where we school.
No, I was in Fanspen. I was in Fanspen. I was in the Fanspen we call. And then from the Fanspen we call Nafty. It was some man now in our class. Godwin. We're in the same class.
And then what was your classmate?
On the back, you're in a class.
Godwin now went in a class.
They be on one count. Godwin. Hey, they be on the uncle.
On pen and
one sem. Yeah, you need to wash it.
Wow. Nice. You're starting free. Uko JHS way.
We call New Hope School.
New Hope.
Let me be a question.
Let me be a question. Now they call Fantapim.
Now they call Fantapim.
And I'm from Fantapim. Nafty.
They call Nafty. Yes.
Okay. And Nafty. No, who graduated now? They year Jume.
So I work at my production. I did production for a very long time. From my Nafty days to I've worked at Foresight. Work with Charterhouse. Work with
Ignis.
Yeah. Work with Iggy Banton.
Iggy Banton.
Then I was at TV3 recently. Recently, I'm free TV3.
Oh yeah, you want TV3 now?
Yeah, APO. I was at APO when you came. Oh, buy now I'm free.
Sir.
Yes, please. So me a full-blooded production boy.
Oh, when I say my colleague.
Oh no, but I've always been passionate about music. But production is where boy me.
Yeah, so interview now. Cameras is baby, you know how to turn yourself.
I edit my videos, mix my music as much as I can. I do them by myself.
You edit your video.
Yeah, I'm a full video editor. I'm actually very honored to be here because I'll see you on TV. I'm like, hey, no, oh my God. So when I came into the industry, started getting close to you, started talking to you. I'm like, oh wow. My age,
you like a Sunday morning.
And you're a blessing. You have no idea. You're a blessing to a lot of people. I remember when I came on your show.
On your show
let me share you to be. That video went viral and took the song to another level.
Oh, yeah. I saw it though, but I mean, it went
viral like wow. The influence is big.
It's by God's grace.
You're blessed.
It's by His grace. Into easy,
You're blessed.
Charlie, I lost you now, son. I'm the casa. Melo and a cry. Whilst I will change stock, no. I can't cry. I can't cry. Yeah, change stock because the stock no so. And because of that, in season.
Would you want me to put some of these things inside?
Yes. Number crime them because over to me a blend with their fra.
Yeah. I thought of it, but
you can't have half from blending fra because dollar from some crop over market. Nearly half no so a chicha gum na ya win grew. Now say, oh worry, madam, I say, oh mammy show you so. Men can a shame
on pet TV.
On pet TV. Now yes, on us or Tony.
What I catch him?
Me can kind of social media or maybe saying maybe an no correct.
Oh, Otunyo was sorry, but on your artist, as in like artist. She sings in church.
Into a wow.
No, she's not part of my team.
Are they?
No, office and work. Work and home.
Work and home.
But when the time is right and whatever has to be done, it will be done. If it has to be done.
And one key maybe says, oh, boy, say, be a number of you, and would carry crana, melody be at tears.
Oh, yeah, and no, dear mamma, and I want home.
I get 3 points.
Or no,
3 points.
Or to treat Jeremy.
Okay, why didn't
you? Granny.
Me no one know achieve that damn book.
I think so. Oh,
that Facebook.
They have I think they have some connection with people. They Kumasi, they have a whole family.
So yeah.
Almost into say I'm blending kakra.
You be blending kakra guma. You try so kakra we kakra na enfam. Ade akono. We are home. Yeah. Akono. Into 100% gone.
Yeah. But my mom is partially a crapim. Your friend of Fabia. Auntie. Mayra, I'm from Mayra. So what?
Mayra.
Yeah, I'm from Mayra. It's close to Crapim. It's between the borders of Accra and that side of town.
Okay. And you say, hey, you bufu ako kroma 3 times a day.
I mean, me feel Bese.
I work here from
Jamestown.
Okay. One blend your own. I don't know. My blending number nafia kasa.
Ajeta.
Ta. Into your comb. Inside. I was for. And I'm in ye. Yeah, can't rest a corner anymore. Edding Kakrana. And I'm mammy.
But you're tasty.
Never can.
Oh, this is jollof. Are you okay?
Yo, I was for. Ye quite anyone as some GD as a sabre. Ye nam no aye kama. A bene. Ye near bear my crowd say. Obetchin and namno. Anne. Obetchi. Aye. And nothing I stew no. O share any moon I dry. Yen foul you, Cassibia and Mumu. Oh, I be okay.
Which
one pound once I fed.
Sometimes I'll try. I'm going to try with. Oh, it tastes. It tastes good.
And Chini BBI, come on.
Yeah.
Annie.
I don't think so we even need to use salt at all. Okay, this
jollof
rice ni good money, Asha.
I'm back. Where come on? Patch your best share no. Now ye day. Ye boy, the betchenam no, I day, as so come on. Until no any send me PNC. Come on. Ye be ye. Na ye dia kum Oheneba ba say near ye Jumano into ofie na wo be ye o ye jollof for ne Perez a strategy ye use be very simple was it 24 then
hour jollof
24 hour jollof
24 hours na me dis
24 hours na this yampa aka no kre when e be any actually me be so no use oil ni be why na so far so good our yet to say be men Pachodia.
Crossing me nine girl.
Our so the Obama committee and chair.
Okay. We buy and chair.
Oba and chair. But Kakrana cano, Kakrabia, why
so far so good.
So far so good. Our
no matter how long Unimobino, at least Mutna, there's still more to learn. So the most important thing is to be determined and make sure it works.
Yes.
And trust God, pray more.
And no,
be patient.
Be patient, trust God, pray more, work harder towards it. Na enye juma. Into Sabre dear, Madam Tifia near ye jollof near the man.
I'm not sure.
24-hour lesson. 24-hour jollof.
And no, I'm not sure. And no, I wasn't. Around the same time, 24 hours.
I was away of a chair now. Now, for your student, they are low cry. Now, also, stock, no, so call.
Yeah.
And 2 baby, aqua first.
But me say we need heat to say about oil on the call.
A bed no. Bonus oil on them, you know,
yeah, the okay, I'm Paul.
Inti ye twen obetu to ahye ye kwa.
Yeah, no.
What ya say? No. Oh.
I should do that.
No. Bibia ekoho. No. Ish, emma dear. Emma your kwan bi ye somu o.
Pastor ye somu.
Emma your kwan bi ye somu o. Mame mo.
Hey. Okay, careful.
The lower one. The season in the inches have radio. That the stock no ever caught. You're still new to see me wow. I
mean, sharp.
Any,
thank you.
I had no saw here winching you.
Second sugar cover. Anna.
Maybe boy, me the spatula we
okay.
When you which may be
your mistake now, the sauce good. I say,
and can obey you any so. End process, no bed you any so. I had to mean, I our dear no.
Oh,
my mouth strategy be not with the Soviet switch. And also the can have a guapa. It's mammy.
Me heat here.
We here. And no. Onta jollof no, wouldn't so you guma, moony gum, and sana heat na build the pie, moony chewum.
Right.
But Kayani said the end of the gum we are near the hot water no. A gum, who are near the morning boom. Miss Young, my grand's kitchen here.
Okay, okay.
Eh,
With their chemistry.
Chemistry, yes, science, no. Miss Young will show you.
Beautiful.
Oh.
You say you've been doing this for 24 years?
Yeah, I've been acting, I've been on TV for 24 years. Yes. I was almost 24 when I started.
When you started? Hey.
I was 23.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I can guess. Hey, the calculation.
And that time, no
one said. Hey.
Hey, Kafra, any enkataso. Oh, you need bemwa. Ebe jai.
But I don't know yes, I mean that's how.
And toast studio etutupa.
Be careful, watch it.
And I face so all you na kabe na se no. And they were no. Right. 24 years new. International say we are 24
prophetic.
What is it prophetic? 24-hour jollof and yeah. And I'm so my TV so for 24 years. Into no. My try on you.
Yeah. And
my spending my life when you know yet deno I now with TV so.
But so what benefit? I mean, in terms like you are fulfilled.
In building it, not yet.
It wasn't easy.
When you will be a man, you know, which she said of a show crying, not face so. Was when who said you man no power be giant.
So the passion is important. I agree.
The passion is important
I
because
agree 100%.
Edu baby abe kokra wunya baby nda. Eduane papa bi aba. Ye sheda feed mu. Ye na ye why adwuma na we kwa yen sen tua wo ka.
Yeah. I want to know the secret behind your. There's something beautiful about you, eh? Like sometimes I share TV, I mean, time share TV, I share TV. But you share advert, there's a phone, different brands, so. But you know, like, what's the secret? Because some of the things, it's not normal.
When you miss I know
Amen.
Intino, yana same way. Padu ebi amitimi nya ansa fama no.
Really?
But adia honam femu no. Ebema makabi edia soso ne say. Se owo passion no a ye kan wasem sesi ano. Edu baby ana ehyew. Se ode be ye adwuma. Ewrade se odensifo no oye ko so obra adwuma mfa bi nka ho. Ono nyankopon. Nsem hira na mani pa ye defo. Nti ya na me feel say wo passion na Ghana had they building your passion is not easy. Debbie.
A lot of things go against you.
Because it has no qualification, especially Bibi to say acting in the fenipa and I know the year Juma. To say Hollywood, I got a own call film school. And I say Debbie. I have no do one our passion, you would do on a passion a dear Drew.
I drive you.
It's our passion also who can dear.
Like there has to be something significant
there
about
should be rules and regulations about the passion that you have.
Exactly.
So that sometimes you don't behave like you are in control all the time. Meaning, if you understand me.
I'm getting it.
If you understand that I'm building this personality. If I'm building this personality, I have the vision. Me who.
The end from the beginning.
Yes, me who. Into and I'm saying me who no. My imagine say, you were near maybe a minute, and fans say, dear, may build no. Into the ends you know, idea your rice.
Wow.
Good
strategy radio.
Who ya now the rice.
I think
because
it makes a lot of sense.
Who says, see ya. The chance in the young size too, but when I pick up out.
Okay, and yes, been going.
Experience
is the best teacher.
Just a man I pick into ocean more, yes, stew.
Right.
And yes, any jollof.
To when you crap now, you don't need this. You can use this for.
You can use this for.
I'm sure we young kind of compound.
We are everyone for no.
Some more 2 hours.
Honey, maybe 2 years ago, man, so a different stew. Hey, into no, you didn't see no kakra.
Okay.
We name how poor jollof. Maybe per jollof is soft.
Yes, soft. We'll say you want one. I chop woman. I measure.
To the woman, I measure. Measure. And most a man don't know any idea.
My experience.
Any. There be a fucker can come. A cray. Yeah. Perfecto. I think, say, I feel you become one way. Not one who so takes no. Sana open no. Was a miss so jawi. Na ye dia ye stew no so I any chain. What's more than a guy?
Okay, me want you to me in salt.
Me small salt. Ben ye dead or jollof, any income,
yes.
I'm no.
Send now spaghetti.
Aye.
Never
can. Hey, Jigum from Perez, when it down.
If I in a room.
But you, Name from But you near Napa. Intino. Solid. Aye. No sano. Wow, dear Bemena. Gumu come ya chrow. Wouldn't get to a crack. 24-hour jollof. And
me and Fanspen boy. You're smart.
And you're not able for and a pan spaghetti. And then they fry your jollof no. Wow, Sarah now see me tuna ne ba kwa na sardine in fresh stew.
I know the later.
There be stew na yenya wonje.
Nebi ano
sardine and mackerel.
Oh, we are now the sea jano so kakra na. I'm marrying
Perez, you came today.
No dokuno pa hot one. I don't know what cotton one top papa de be how. Was a bubu no. So nyane ganyo ba kesa no na leton.
Na jollof na me ko mem bi wo ho.
You want to be the when you be gugu ba. You drink kakra.
Afe jollof na ye num pi na anko bubu. Enyiwa. Inti
unim.
I
was okay.
Okay.
So we okay na.
Where you okay?
We Jenny.
Jenny kakrankom. Obi ani fi abetimi aye aduane adi.
The carrot.
Carrot betimi de biaguma dokno ne carrot de.
Sanam na san. We do dokno na we carrot.
Okay.
Baby mommy vengu.
Eno kubeko rice ni mu.
Yeah.
Ntabuchafo. At this point ye bekata ya mo no so. Yenya jollof enya 24-hour stew.
Yeah.
We 24 minutes stew.
Oh, they say yeah.
24 minutes stew, 24-hour jollof, and 24 years in the space of media. Until we are in 24 Avenue. Jollof night, come on.
That's it.
Jollof night, come. And man, yes, I chemo. Is that Nema when you DBT no? Once a cabe numa, Kawako fast seeing in Aba.
Right.
I was for her baby. I do. Akaka crab na ya mono a day na pa spaghetti na wom. Tasty Tom jollof mix no ano na abin. Enti no ye be pepa ha yi ya bibia kom ye mfa bibia nka ho bio. Aka time ka crab na osia de ma no na enya kwan jollof de medi papa.
Me so me meaning pa. Me say enti me nim say me ba enti me share ndi.
Na nim say me what testing officer bi no betime the way for.
Hey.
Obeba
na be ma.
Oye bema.
Hey.
Odi 4. Wait maybe.
And the mabedi there.
Ne mabedi there. On that note, we say for ye try one ba se sia beba na bibia ye ready. Na afa ye de aduane die no ahyehye so. McBrown's kitchen. Enko bibia. See you.
2024 has been an amazing year, but I believe 2025 is going to be much better. We at Hisense want to say a very big thank you to you for patronizing us. Stay blessed and Happy New Year. I go by the name Dance God Lloyd. Official
2025, we can't wait to see you. We can't wait to have fun with you. Hisense loves you. It's your girl Afrenita, Official
2024, say Hisense money koye ma odia. And then 2025, and ye triple. Yes, so friends, son. Hisense the Ghana for nyina say. Who koso na money ye nya adwuma. Ye dam say. Hisense mama Official 4. Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no? Tasty Tom tomato mix. Oh for kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra young quine stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania chipan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Then I did into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Martin. Martin with my homba. Papa tofu. Na me so be here ska. Na onya ska we here. Mama me susie nyina aka metum sa.
Ma we so fa so na bi no. Sike fia me tua ne busu me bia no. Eso fa so no. Me frɛ o ma pɛ. E no mo ba me moa. Ene se obi abo ma ba so yi. Me didi na eye na enfa so.
Aya kai say abrebia obey my way insurance no. Wo de obusuani mapa baako ebe hye so. Me kyerɛ sɛ ofiri mu nko ade a ye be kɔ wo moa. Na wa na wo ye my way insurance no de. Ye be kɔ wo moa abra wo kɔ yade krankro. Yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yaresabia ebro na mienu. Se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a wo betumi abeka my way abusia no. For phone ne dial *165# ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a ka say no way. Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me ankasa no, ade bia me ye bia no, me hihwempe papa no. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishomanya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewo tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft but not weak. Strong but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua me hot tummy. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soaki? Echimu esa pepa. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say your pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
Honey, new sabo, and a pat evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
So.
And napa milk, well custard one fine. Na se well Tom Brown no rice water muswa nice. Honey trip na baso me the enapa mayonnaise. Na me dia salad no any burger. Fries no so enapa tasty ketchup and a good side. Coffee ni jollof no so me the enapa perfume long green rice. Oh you one. Don't forget your favorite enapa chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on Enapa Airways.
Mama.
Me no.
Enapa, I can't stand it.
Just a moment. Enapa,
yeah.
Enapa. Oh yeah, Jack Macron no more. It's you cannot guess there. Hey yo, contomre. Udokni. Tomato sauce I want you bebre. Enapa sardine for box with salad here. Hey yo, stew. Ana jollofa. Na betina mwa. That don't know it though. Oto that. Enapa wofia. O metibani ye dewa. You want a soy sauce? Check for you, sir. Oh, more tasty. And a baked beans for the breakfast. Let's all a salad to oh, she and a tuna. We can puffle. Let's all a salad in oh, taste good. And a pan on dairy creamer. 4 box we so can see oats, na creamy tea no. You and a spaghetti. Talia Papa B.
Mansunin Sijadu Hre. Nafa and a prospect get in the gum.
Who and a Patalia no are you ready for watching on you with you? So I no pa no so
Inkrati FDA appendo.
Dead spices. Taste day inside. But dead spices, yeah, what Jenny say. Nanya good taste. If we say, yeah, the natural spices and yeah, you're gonna hey yao. Annie, you want all purpose, stew, noodles, curry, and nutmeg, and a jollof. Dead spices. Taste yummy. Taste lemon. Dead spices. Taste day inside. FDA, a jedi inkratoya too.
Nice wig. It's my hair. Wow. I love your wig. It's my hair. Wow. Mipaway, a on kasani hair. Wow. Try the new B06 No Lie Hair Relaxer and thank me later.
Easy to use in just a 3-step process. It's so easy on the scalp and contains shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil for healthy hair and scalp.
Bye.
Now that's wow. New BO16 No Lie 3-in-1 Hair Relaxer straightens, strengthens, and protects. BO16 Express yourself.
The GC brand. It's all about you. This advert is FDA approved.
Next.
Auntie, Aquava. Hey, Anna Kasana lost in translation. Aeka.
Dog, fetch me why? Where do I even start from? About 3 days in it. Dog, I want to see me also. Me ampa, me driane, kitwa bi, me prepaid yasa. What show pa, free me.
Wow.
My eyes on squeezing me. Many my okay. Why? Same things ni na go. Learn fire down mad.
Just like that.
Learn fire dear number 1 money transfer app. Canada come home, US come home, and some UK so come home. And no one with the money you business funny and don't for no money sika.
Ubekwa ko yi scan wo he fa
ye direct to me momo so ana me bank.
Na sa app for ya ba so yo mo nti usika bi nti aso.
Ya nti wo mo she zero charge.
Abrantie na okọ wan ba na etua session ama.
Best rates, zero transfer charges, and unbeatable exchange rates. Direct to Momo and banks in minutes. No need for therapy.
McBrown's Kitchen.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ebusiafo Ediane pa ede. Ya no ediane na wie nti e mama kwaba eba edition time. Sabre yi ne ye fa kwanya so na ye deda aboafo ase. Ne ye sa deda ye guest, ye special guest and so ase. Nti e beton sa afra ye nua be ma Perez Musik. P and na de me wa chede bebre de ma.
Wow, thank
because
you.
Because jollof no say de e shiny wo bo ni. As o Jude na bi say.
Attempt for me the only attempt for me go ase.
Attempt oh.
Say na mo fuze me to me.
Omo mo pay say nyina ye guo mo no ase.
My jollof.
Yeah, jollof. Yeah, the new my jollof. Nani bibi achede nyina ye wodia.
Wow, thank you.
And it's here that was say Hisense say ma rice cooker, a pressure cooker kama. Na efa coffee. Bell pack so say so tissue hwe. Say free na kwanya no bi na better no nko because ye papa.
Thank you.
And napa foods. A spaghetti ne ye macro sardine and ye dark sauce and a mayonnaise and a one salad. Come mayonnaise. Tasty Tom next time you be. Tasty Tom sudie ni Tasty Tom jollof mix. Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Any Tasty Tom pepper and onion ni na bi wom kama. Dead spices na ye de ye nam ne ho no a. Amia ha ye ho fa season fufuro bi enwu no nie. Dead spices, all peppers, and then yenam. I Gandu Cosmetics. Some man near me, you know. Wow. Near me, more. Near me, woman does so pa.
Ebe here, my parents.
Ebe here, pa. Nina, who here, pa.
Thank you.
Thank you
too. Thank you for inviting me.
Now, ready. Unfortunately, before Namin Kwana Midi. Say no crofo yam so na udi aye wonka e de cry enim enye da enim ana so nya abotre.
In pressure.
Pressure bi ani wo nya abotre obi ba. Obi anim no. Say bed ya ne dia branch ye nyini mfrim. Inti McBrown's kitchen say ye de ne ba no nso so abedi bi na for me hu say me ka say de na so nso ka say nye da na say afi equals to bi abamu ho. Tewusafo ye monyum ne mfa hia ye testing officer. Abusu entwam aka Oheneba Jude. Come on. McBrown's kitchen. Arena so. Okay, momu di ona na.
Ono ane bo na buy. Na one fast spoon number. And all do say video.
Ade ba ho. Sa unwa. Do ama ye hwe.
Oh, mommy amensa Oheneba Jude. Studio audience. Muni bio. Ose.
Ombo kwa.
We are doing quantum ndio.
Se minimum honto ebi nkofo mo. Minimum honto me a.
Ebi nkofo mo.
Ebi nsane nkofo.
So we answer. Na ya ne.
Boss. Imagine boss.
Brother say who go space. Ono nko space. Good. Ya che ye be answer ba cho me entie the answer. Perez, o jollof now ready, brother Henny. Henny. Where jollof now? And away stew no.
The meal
stew.
Very mindful
stew. And your jollof no sini one be bon pie.
Abumune hwamo.
Patch one be bon pie. Bo
ana fagina.
David, why nya hui bo?
Erade. Said you are not to use to the amen.
Amen. Abusafo. Miami hu ye ankasa. Ma shada serve me hu ye pa. Yentie Jude. Perez aye duane na wi wa betie wi wa di be 5 spoons. Akosi say.
So let's see. No man is
No man is over 10.
Just say.
Adentra.
I mean, I see I can be another.
Bra, I nye Bible. I'm the kind of one who want to Bible. Your kitchen had it. Would we have say here?
Now, wanu na de man says ya na. Wanu na de man says. Sao. Na mkasa mo your favorite food.
I can't find.
Anu bia na nim kaka o.
Ana.
But nim kaka.
And you are patches eating away.
So one of na asaka kala na hu si agimo no.
No, so say I want economy na hard.
E boy ya se for jollof.
E share who waste jollof. Who waste away no.
Anso nyu wan.
Aye den.
Anyu wan.
Obi me say.
Asa mon spaghetti wo.
Anja.
Boss.
Abeda
you want spaghetti wo to combination no.
I'm gonna come at it. But sis.
But still obenya sis.
I knew nothing what else that.
Meso kasa ya to bonamente.
Obenya sis.
Unya tano hada.
Unya tano ha. Ene se odi a we dia men woni bio.
Afa apon so kire no. Obi kire no akata tese no.
Afa we me hawo.
Obi kire no kakra se nya obi na be wa ha.
Nka na wono. Wo me tight.
Anyway, I know I can't tell you all Nibio. Okay. That can have me the coffee. Perez, don't mind Oheneba.
Oh no, 6. I mean, my life, my new jollof best 3 times. This is my 3rd time.
6 over 10 there.
Yeah, it's a good start.
Win him.
No,
no, minim dia na numuti. Me dia gane na me dia.
Sana sorry.
Hey, no, abuja.
Akwawe.
Bemena. Me da se so ba show you so what.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. Minim so near show time there me wa had the first time one.
Yeah. I mean, sure.
Open
or expanding. May the Lord expand your coast. In fact, enlarge your coast.
Amen.
May He increase you, take you from glory to glory.
Amen.
What you think you have, or what you think you have reached, may the Lord take you 1,000 times further.
Amen.
Yes. Every arrow, every plan, every word of the enemy that is spoken against you, may it be turned into blessing.
Amen.
Wayada into which me.
Amen. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
My fiancé na be advice back how they ma youth. We know you say we nyum to ni. Nti ebe pese ode ai nkrasha kakra. Ebe my young talent ya omuso efroba. Omuno so no ebi omunim wa omuni ani da so bia wadaroma.
Onse yeah kasano. We're talking about like I was telling you where I've worked for sites like all the other places I never be doing. And you're also talking about 24 years how you had to
serve.
Yeah, serve. Yes, that's the word. I've noticed something that most of the young people, I don't money time. Like could be up in time, or see so per se. But I will just entreat my fellow young brothers, and in fact my peers as well. Patience, endurance, service, and grit. Grit. You know, never giving up. When you want to do something, pursue it. Pursue it. For one, you know, it will not take a day or two. It will take some time. Now, me jollof na moody jamino. Okay, let me continue. So keep pushing, keep working hard, and it will work. So
don't do that.
I don't ferry. Don't ferry. So yeah, basically that's about it.
Basically, that's about it, people. This is McBrown's Kitchen, and this is where we eat good food. Any TV so I'm for any no done that's it. Say and that's all. McBrown's Kitchen. Now, Miss Rao, you need to near YouTube. Into Miss Rao, you do baby no special course, so no I hear also at their mind. That's we did money affair. I like that. I like Bama, we did money affair. No, I did money affair. Yeah, that's a Perez Musik. Oheneba, Yapon.
Excellency.
Yapon.
Huh? Your Excellency,
Excellency. Excellency. And what kind of saying? Excellency. Excellency. No. Her Excellency, what was it? Excellency.
I see, oh, yeah, the old children. I yeah, rock out this. I'm try. Yeah, me
That's what I was for. Said you be no I be any dear name. Me amedin grano. I Eddie am obi bia. Me da say and now show you me the be share no twen sene. Me da fave beauty as for me makeup yi my yarn stitches and a share me atade yi nti ni nyina enwe de aseda be mawrade na sole so neja oye me wig yi ma me da na say ye de aseda ma Hisense Tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix, Tasty Tom jollof mix, and a Tasty Tom pepper and onion. Sarah ne de aseda bio Emma kivo pepper and kivo gari meda my wave also asepa. Dead Del spices taste they inside. Sarah na lunch cha and a mijadi edema me bell pack tissue asida enkomamo 1plex 400. The GC brand. Kama pa. Afe enapa foods. Enapa food ye spaghetti ye de fry ye mui ye tuna ini ye mackerel ye de gu ye stew muso. Ekoye yada omu nyina ase enapa foods ede soko aseda bio enkoma lemfi was international payment for everyone midin the nanama McBrown ha enam no besi be hia na otwen sene McBrown's Kitchen eduane pa
ede
McBrown's Kitchen eduane pa McBrown's Kitchen McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you know, no am I in here, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you yeah, my share, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen.